Y-3 times Adidas. Then we got the Adidas Futurecraft technology in a Y-3 shoe. I wonder what that looks like. Oh, is this it? The Y-3 Runner 4D. There we go. What's up, guys? We're live here again at Stadium Goods. First day of March. Shouts out to all my March babies. We are here, Stadium Goods, 47 Howard Street. We're gonna do another unboxing for the Adidas Y-3 Futurecraft 4D shoe. So Y-3 has just recently introduced the 4D technology on their shoes. So if you guys look to my immediate left, we have the Adidas Runner 4D that just recently released a few months ago. But today, we're gonna take a look at the Y-3 spin-off of that version. So we're gonna start off with this box top. We've got the classic Y-3. So Y-3, if you guys don't know, is a subsidiary brand of the Adidas company. So we've got the Adidas logo here with a name here that I do not want to butcher and mispronounce, so I'm not going to. But we're gonna open this box though. All right, so guys, let us know what you think in the comments. Please like and share all of our videos on YouTube clearly because I am in them. And here we have a look at the Adidas Futurecraft Y-3 4D. So let's start off with the upper here. Full prime knit upper, predominantly throughout the entire upper. So it's a black and white mix. We've got the white hit here in the toe area, but just to the inner panel of the toe area, we have white and black. And on the outer panel of the toe area, we have a leather hit here, also followed up, a leather overlay, followed up with an underlay of more fly knit. So if you guys can see, these three little rubber guys right here, they represent the Adidas 3 stripes in this shoe particularly, which ties from the 3 stripes here, which goes right into the lace area that we see here. So 3 stripes right there. Goes right into the lace area that we see here. We have another lace guard also just above the 3 stripes that you see here. This lace guard has like a shimmer to it. More fly knit to the back. And as we get to the back panel, the pull tab here is leather hit on the pull tab. We've got leather through the bottom of the back panel. And as you guys can see, I haven't gotten to the midsole yet. So this is the 4D technology that you see here. Much like the one you see to my immediate left. Fairly lightweight. It's apparently a great running shoe. I don't have a pair of these yet, so Y-3 and Adidas, if y'all feel like I'm a size 12, I'm here at Stadium all day, holla at me. But let's get back to these shoes. You see this is like a mint greenish kind of colorway with the Futurecraft technology on the bottom. Fairly soft, if you guys can see that. Fairly soft to the touch. As we get to the outsole here. Full black outsole, kind of mirrors the Ultra Boost outsole, very similar. We've got a continental hit right here. Let's get to the tongue here. So if you guys look at the tongue, it reads the brand with the 3 stripes right above here, along with the Y-3 right under. So right here, we've got the brand with the 3 stripes, and then we've got the Y-3 right under there. Let's take a look at these insoles. Guys, please let us know what you think. Follow us on all social media platforms at Stadium Goods. So we've got the insert here, the Y-3 insole. So this one right here is full leather throughout. It's actually pretty soft, really cool detailing. These only come with 1 set of laces, just so you guys know. I'm gonna give you guys one last look. And these are once again, available in limited quantities, but we do have them available at Stadium Goods. Please follow us on all social media platforms at Stadium Goods. That's Instagram, Pinterest, Google+, Twitter, Snapchat, all at Stadium Goods. Visit our website, stadiumgoods.com. If you have any questions about anything regarding Stadium Goods, visit us in store, 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. Please feel free to stop by. If I didn't mention, make sure y'all download that app. My voice is on there, so y'all gotta download the app. Once again, I am Fresco. This is Stadium Goods. Salud.